Today's our lecture is on that simple how to export a file. If you are done with your editing, so if you want to export your file, so let's see this video. I'm importing this media and let's suppose I want to export this video. So click on the export button and here you will see that here will be some settings. So let's get started with the local. So if you want to export the MP4 file, basically this one is a video format, so these all are video formats, so you can simply click on it and there will be a huge difference in these formats. The basic and the good format is MP4 and this one is the latest one. So I am selecting MP4 and here you can simply type the video name and the location to save the video is here. You can simply select from here. Let's suppose I am selecting a desktop. So and this one is a main thing, a resolution, and the resolution is the videos frames in which the quality matters. Here are some qualities: best, better and good. The huge and the popular and the famous best resolution is huge, best, and the better is one another category and the good one is another category. So the top high pixels is the best, and as you see that the bit rate is also high. These are some encoders. So H.264 is the latest, so I am selecting this one, and the resolution. Okay, so these are the resolutions, and the most high resolution is the 4096 multiplied by 2160. This one seems that it's 4K, and the top high best for the computers and the mobile is a 1920 multiplied by 1080p. So I am selecting this one, and these are the frames. The huge and the best frame is 60 fps. It will makes a video great, and I'm not selecting anyone this because I have selected this a particular resolution. And these are the bit rates, the sizes of the video, and this one is an audio. So let's get started with audio. Here is an encoder, and there is no another option, the channel, studio, mono and a surround. If you want to make our audio surround, so you can simply click on surround, and I am selecting surround. This is a sample rate. Don't click the sample rate to high. And bitrate is a high sound quality and high size. Okay, so I am selected with my settings. As you see that it's 21 MB size, 24 fps, and these are some settings that I have selected. So let's move to another option, device. So format, basically this is a format box, and as you see that there are some androids and some platforms where you play this video. So if you want an iPhone format, so you can simply click on iPhone. If you want an iPad, so you can simply iPad, and another phones, PlayStations, TVs and the smart TVs, and the Apple TV 4K. So these are some settings. Also devices, if you want to select, if you want to want to watch a video on a particular device, so you can simply select from the format. And YouTube, so if you have a YouTube channel, so you can simply sign in and type the title here and the description of the video and the quality like I already explained you, and the category. If you sign in this YouTube channel, so you can simply see these categories and the tags. These are the YouTube's this is a YouTube box, and if you have a channel, so you can simply upload this video on the YouTube. So this is basically works if you don't have a time, if you don't want to export, you want to simply upload on a YouTube, so you can simply upload it on the YouTube. Vimeo, and this is another platform of the uploading a video and a DVD. If you want to export a video in a DVD disk drive, so you can simply export. You can simply write their here name and the TV standard, ratio, the size of the video, resolution type, encoding, VBR, CBR, and these are some sizes of the video quality. This is a video quality, and the path, the format where your disk is, and export. So basically I want to export it on desktop, so I am exporting this. Export. As you see that my file is exporting, and when it will export, you can select these settings. If you want to shut down the computer when export completed, you can simply click on this. I clicked on the sound reminder. It will remind me that my video is exported. As you see that my video is exported, and find a target where your video is exporting basically. So let's, as you see that my videos frames and the resolution is good enough,